Today I got hands-on with one of the most anticipated cameras of the year, the brand new DJI Osmo 360. Let's dive into what makes this 360-degree camera a true game changer for creators and adventurers alike. Right away, what stands out is DJI's flagship build quality. The Osmo 360 is compact, rugged, and feels fantastic in hand thanks to its smart design and intuitive button layout. This device is loaded with tech. You get dual 1.1, 1-inch square CMOS sensors with a massive 2.4-meter pixel size, capturing more light for impressive detail. The fast f1. 9 lens delivers crisp, vibrant footage in both daylight and low light. Performance is what the Osmo 360 is all about. Record native 8K 360-degree video at up to 50 frames per second. Prefer single lens action? Switch modes for buttery smooth 4K at 120 or up to 5K at 60 fps, perfect for action sequences. It's incredibly versatile too. Mounted almost anywhere with the magnetic quick release or standard tripod thread. DJI's Horizon Steady and Rock Steady 3.0 stabilization keep your footage stable, whatever you're doing. The invisible selfie stick lets you capture your adventures without the tech getting in the way. With gesture and voice controls built in, it's a truly hands-free experience. The 2-inch OLED touchscreen is bright and responsive. Switching from 360 degrees to single lens or slow motion is as simple as a tap. Audio is just as advanced. You can direct connect 2 DJI mic transmitters or use the built-in microphones, capturing ambient sound and interviews hassle-free. You get 128 gigabytes built-in storage, plus a micro SD slot. A single charge powers up to 100 minutes of 8K recording, enough for a full day's adventure. The Osmo 360 doesn't just capture the world, it lets you relive it with SuperNight mode, time-lapse, hyperlapse, and panoramic shots at up to 120 megapixel. For creators and explorers, the Osmo 360 pushes 360-degree storytelling into new territory. Whether you're filming city life, action sports, or just your day out, this might be the only camera you need in your bag.